Some cars aren't just machines, they're legends. They're adrenaline in motion. They're a time capsule of an era when American muscle ruled the streets. And right here, in this sublime green perfection, it's a tribute to one of the most fearless icons ever built, the 1973 Plymouth Road Runner. Under the hood lies a meticulously rebuilt 360 V8 engine paired with a smooth 3-speed automatic transmission. But don't let the words automatic fool you. Every twist of the throttle is raw, visceral power. An Edelbrock intake ensures every ounce of air flows freely, while the Flowmaster exhaust transforms each turn of the key into a symphony of muscle car fury. This Road Runner Tribute isn't just about speed, it's about style. Every curve, every contour, every color choice screams audacity. The Sublime Green repaint is flawless, echoing the original factory color that made Mopar's legendary. Complementing it are 18-inch Boss factory-style wheels, perfectly balancing modern flair with classic authenticity. It's a car that demands attention, even when standing still. Step inside and the cabin tells the same story. Purposeful, nostalgic, uncompromising. Vinyl bucket seats hug you like the memories of every drag strip, every highway, every Sunday cruise. The center console anchors the interior, while classic Mopar gauges keep you connected to the heartbeat of this legendary machine. But let's not forget, the Road Runner Tribute is a performer. Power steering and power brakes make every turn effortless, every stop precise. The rebuilt 360 V8 responds instantly, a perfect harmony of raw muscle and refined control. This is a car that doesn't just move, it breathes, it growls, it commands respect. Every detail has been considered, every component chosen to honor the spirit of 1973, from the aluminum radiator ensuring peak performance to the chrome accents that catch the light like jewelry. This Road Runner Tribute isn't just a car, it's a statement. A tribute not only to Plymouth, but to a golden era of automotive rebellion. Owning a car like this isn't about transportation, it's about an experience. It's about turning heads, inspiring envy, and feeling the pulse of history beneath your fingertips. $43,995 might just seem like a price tag, but what it buys is a ticket to nostalgia, power, and absolute automotive bliss. The 1973 Plymouth Road Runner Tribute isn't just a car. It's a celebration of an era when cars were fearless, when design was bold, when every journey felt epic. It's about living life a little louder, a little faster, and with a whole lot more style. Step into it, fire it up, and let history roar beneath you. Subscribe for more ultra-luxury automotive legends. Your dream car isn't just a machine, it's an experience.